Na-miss nyo ba kami? Kami din na-miss namin kayo. Dahil dyan, gagawa tayo ng something sweet. Brazo de Mercedes with ube filling. You can check out the ingredients in our YouTube channel. Kita-kits! First, let's separate the egg whites from the yolks. Let's do the meringue first. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites until it becomes foamy. And then we can add the cream of tartar. And then you can slowly add the sugar. Huwag madaliin ha. This will probably take about 10 minutes. When soft peaks form, it means it's ready. Oops, don't forget the vanilla. Put a baking paper on a pan and then grease it with butter. Then transfer the meringue and spread it evenly. You can use a spatula to make it easier. Now let's add some ridges. You can use an icing comb or just simply use a fork. Then bake it at 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the meringue is baking, let's start making the filling. Mix the egg yolks with condensed milk at haluin lang ng haluin. Pero wag masyadong seryoso ha, baka hindi sumarap to. Stir lang! Ayan, may condensed milk na, magiging sweet na to. Gawin pa kaya nating cheesy. Let's grate some cheddar cheese. And set it aside first. Let's fire up the stove and use a double boiler to cook the egg yolk mixture. Now add the ube halaya and then fresh milk. Continue to mix and then add some butter. Let's add some cheese too. Medyo nakakapanik yung change ng color, but don't worry, we can still fix it. You can add some yam paste to enhance the flavor. And you can add some food color to get that bright purple ube-licious hue. And if you're wondering kung yam paste ba or food color ang dapat mauna, aba girl, sarili muna unahin natin. Now it's done. Cool down muna tayo. Speaking of cooling down, be sure to do the same to your meringue after you take it out from the oven. Kapag malamig na siya, let's sprinkle some powdered sugar. Cover it with baking paper, get another pan, and flip it over. Now it's time to spread the filling. If you notice, the texture is much smoother now. How to get this? Just put the filling in a blender, add some milk, and blend it for a few minutes. Just cover half to 2/3 of the surface of the meringue. And let's add more cheese. Did I miss a spot?
There!
Got it! Okay, let's roll. Cut the slice, add some more powdered sugar, and of course, we have to take a photo. Hope you can try this recipe. Hindi kayo magsisisi, promise. See you on our next video. Take it away, Yam!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Cheddar.
Tapos kukulayan, no?
Kinulayan na namin yan.
Ba't hindi bright? No.
Pero hindi siya food color. Ang pinangkulay namin yam paste. Pero grabe yung kanina.
Color.
Oo, hindi, I mean yung kanina kasi. Sobrang solid.